The kulintang probably is the most recognized instrument representative of the musical traditions of the Islamic groups in Mindanao. It is a part of the gong chime culture popular in Southeast Asia along with the pifat of the mainland and the gamelan of Indonesia. It is a set of graduated knob gongs laid in a row, usually forged from bronze or brass, which makes them very expensive. Thus, it is regarded as a status symbol in the society for anyone who owns it. Since not everyone can gain access to this instrument, in this video, I will show you how to create a version of this instrument using easy-to-find materials. Join me in this episode of Vids Mused. Let us begin by preparing the materials needed for this project. First up, we need 8 used bottles to represent all the gongs in a kulintang set. It is recommended to collect bottles that are identical in shape and size for easy tuning. Water, to be used in filling up the bottles. A piano, or a virtual piano to get reference pitches while tuning the bottles. Wooden or plastic sticks to be used as mallets. Avoid using metal sticks as it may chip or break your glass bottles. And some optional materials. A funnel to avoid spillage while filling up the bottles. And some food color to make your instrument look more interesting. Before we begin, let us look at the scale that we are going to use in tuning the bottles. There is no absolute set of pitch used in the kulintang, so tuning may vary from one instrument to another. In this exercise, however, we are going to use the Pêlog scale used by the gamelan to make our instrument close to the real deal. Now, for the procedure. First, fill the bottles with the amount of water required to achieve a specific pitch. Then, use the piano to hear the reference note and check the pitch of your bottle by hitting it on the side using the sticks. Adjust the pitch by adding or removing water. Repeat this process for all the notes in our scale, 1 note for each bottle. Check the scale on the piano. Then, check your bottles. Now for the fun part. Use your food additive to color the water in your bottles. You now have a bottle kulintang which you can use in your performances. Enjoy playing, and thank you for watching.